How's it going, Timmy? Oh, fuck, that's what we're doing. Hey, what the hell is going on?
What the? Are you recording?
That's 16 seconds or minutes.
I said that Britney was better. Is it rolling? Alright. Whoopi Goldberg's taint is not green. I don't know how many times I have to tell you, you fucking dumbass.
Hey, what's up, man, son? Timmy, how's it going?
Dad?
Hey.
How's the game? No. You haven't seen Deep? No. His dick. Yeah, but if you put a paper bag on her head, it's like the same thing. Doesn't matter. No, John Stamos wasn't in Friends. You're fucking stupid. No. You know what? I'm done. I can't even talk to you about this. That's fucking retarded.
Watch your friggin' language, bitch. With you talking about there's no kids from college here.
Well, you know, Barnes didn't graduate from Berkeley, but he still has a big dick. Control the dame.
Get in here, great shade. Come on.
Alright, ready? Nope. Tell me when to go. Nope.
Alright, keep going, keep rolling.
End it. End it. End it.
I'm retarded.
Daddy, no! Why'd you laugh? Restart it. Do it again. Bargs, save your nuts.
Yeah.